Hello, welcome back. Now we've created our first brand. The next thing we're going to do is to start creating our first campaign. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to give you an entire walkthrough of EngageSuite and how you can get started. But right now, let's create our first brand. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to New Campaign. And right here, you are going to see a couple of templates right now in your account. Okay, so you can either load one of these templates or you can create a custom one from scratch. Okay, so here we go. Let's start from scratch and create our first campaign. So this is going to take some time, and this is the main part of this app, so I implore you to just take your time, follow us through this entire video so that you can get a hang of how to use EngageSuite. Moreover, it is actually very simple and straightforward to use. All right, let's create our custom campaign. So the first thing we do, we click on custom here, and on the right hand side, you're going to see this is a preview of what your campaign is going to look like. As you can see, this is the footer of the campaign page. You can see that your brand details is here and also has the URL to your website. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll add a campaign title. So I'm going to assume that I'm trying to give away my free book right now in exchange for people to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and give me their email address. All right, so I'm going to find a catchy title. Get access or download my free report on how to make money using affiliate marketing. Okay, now we have that we add the description. You know that affiliate Okay, so once you're done, choose your campaign brand. So for right now, we have only just one brand, so we just select it. Then we set the time, how long we want our campaign to run. So the start date, there's end date. So we assume we want to run this till the end of the month. So we choose this. Then you select your time zone, whether you are +1, UTC or whatever. So I'm just going to choose -5. Okay, and I'm going to add my terms and conditions. So if you have a URL to your terms and condition, you can just put it here, else you can type out your terms and conditions. So first, let's just type okay, so you can give as many details about your terms and conditions as you want, depending on the campaign you're trying to run. Once you're done, you click on OK. And then the next thing we're going to do is we'll add our image. Take note, you can add an image or a video. If you want to add a video, you select the video. All you have to do is you add the video URL here and click on OK, and the video is going to display on your campaign page. Alright, so know that video is a great conversion tool, so if you prefer a video, you can always just use a video. Alright, so but let's upload an image right now. Make sure you're going to upload an image that is relevant to the campaign that you're trying to run. I'm going to see if I have something I can use here. Okay, now let me just pick a random stuff here, but make sure you add an image or creative that is relevant to what you are trying to do, because it's going to add some intense details. I'll give more details about your campaign, and people can easily take a look at it without reading. Okay, so we've added the image. The next thing we're going to do is edit the user settings. This defines how users are going to be able to subscribe. I'll give you their emails. All right, so you know the usual landing pages and opt-in forms gives the user the ability to actually just give you any random emails, but with EngageSuite you're able to make sure that they give you their authentic email addresses that they use in creating their social media accounts. So we have a few options here. So once we're done with adding our creative, the next thing we're going to do is choose how users are able to subscribe to our campaign. All right, before now, using your usual opt-in forms and landing pages, users are just can have the option of giving you out their fake emails, and that makes your campaign or give you their secondary email that they never visit, and that makes your campaign to almost be unsuccessful, because what you want to do is you want to be able to get the emails of users so that you can communicate them with other stuff about your business. All right, so this option gives you the opportunity to actually build your emails using their social media accounts, which of course has their primary email addresses. So you can choose all of these options, so the users can actually choose which one is preferable for him to actually build your email, to add their email. So you eliminate the option of giving you a fake email address. All right, so under here, if your campaign has an age restriction, you can actually set the age limit for your campaign users to subscribe, or if there is no age restriction, you can actually just add this. And if you have your autoresponder set up, which I'm going to show you in the coming videos how to do it, you can easily just select your autoresponder here, and automatically your campaigns and your subscribers are sent to your autoresponder to build your email list. But if you have none set up right now like I do, there's no problem. You can just select none. Your subscribers are added in your EngageSuite account, and you can export them anytime you want. Okay, so once you're done setting up here, we go over to the next campaign. All right, so take note, if you don't have the Facebook, if you don't have the EngageSuite Pro version, you will not be able to see the Facebook version. So in case you're looking at your account right now and you don't have the Facebook version option here, That's probably because you don't have the EngageSuite Pro version. And once you upgrade, you'll be able to see that as well. Alright, so let's get to the action part, which is the crux of the matter. So if you check here, you're going to see a whole lot of actions that you can add to your campaign. If you have the Pro version as well, you're going to get the entire actions here. All right, yeah. But if you just bought the front end offer, you're just going to get a few limited actions. So let's start adding. Let's say we want people to visit our Facebook page and like and follow us. So we'll put the first action, like our Facebook page. So we add the Facebook URL and add this. We'll make this mandatory, and anyone can do this once a day. And you add the points associated with this. So let's say it's just 2 points, and we click on OK. When you look at this preview here, you see the action has been added. We can add more actions. Follow us on Twitter. So you just add your Twitter handle here. And you can make this mandatory and add the points associated with it. And remember, the more points your users get, there are more chances of being able to get your access to your free report or win whatever contest you're running. So that's the importance of these points. And we can get them to retweet any of our campaigns, or we can get them to visit our blog post, or if we have an app to download, we can say download our app. So you can put your Google Play URL here. Google.com. Let's just put the app. Or you can put your Apple Store URL here too, and click on OK, and it's added. And then we go to the next one. Okay, if we want them to watch our YouTube videos, watch our video, you can add the YouTube channel here and make other changes here and add the points as well, and click on OK. And you just keep adding, but we encourage you that to just add a few actions as possible on each campaign, because and the more actions your visitors are able to complete, the higher the drop off you're going to get. So just make sure you add the very important ones on each campaign and then move on. Then this is where you deliver your reward. Okay, so we want to give them a download link and want them to download our free report. Okay, please click on the button below to download free report. Okay, so we give them the download link, downloadlink.com. all right, so once you're done here, and basically this is not compulsory, because this is when you are trying to run an instant reward campaign. All right, so you need to be able to deliver this immediately. So let's take, for instance, you want to run a campaign which is a contest. Let's assume you're a local business and you're trying to run a campaign for where 5 people are going to win an all expense paid trip, vacation or something, or you're trying to give out a free meal in your restaurant to the first 10 people who win. All right, so it's not an instant reward. This is a campaign that people are going to apply to, and at the end of the day, you're going to choose a winner and contact those 10 winners. Okay, so there'll be no need to add this. We're trying to run a contest campaign. There'll be no need for adding a reward. All right, so number of claims. If 0, everybody wins. So this kind of campaign, everybody is going to definitely win, because once they're able to complete the task, you should be able to give them access to the download link. So we're going to leave this at 0. But if you're running a viral contest, you need to be able to limit the number of winners who will be able to access your prizes. You don't want to start giving out a free vacation to 20,000 people. That's going to run you out of business. Okay, so the next thing we're going to configure is our campaign messaging. Now this is also a pro version, feature. Now inside EngageSuite, you have the power to be able to create email messages that go out to your subscribers depending on how or the status of their contest. So the first message is the message sent once you complete the task. All right, so you can set this. Hi there. Remember, you can customize this as much as you want. Hi there, thank you for completing the contest. Now this is also an avenue where you can add download link to your button. We are excited to see this. All right, so once you're done adding your message here, you move to the next one. So if you're running a viral campaign, then you'll be able to add the messages to winners and messages to non-winners. But since this is an instant reward, there'll be no need for this. So we go right ahead to the next one, which is adjusting the appearance. So as you see now, this is all pink and could look blinding a little bit. So let's try to customize these right now. Okay, you can change the text color. We'll actually try to make this as simple as possible. Like this, okay. Okay, so we're done. And the next thing, now if you want to add country restriction, okay, this feature is also available to pro users only. You can restrict your campaign based on a country. You can just easily click it here, or you can type it out. Okay, but we're going to just remove this here for now and remove all restrictions. And once you're done, now here you can save the campaign as a template so that you can use it every other time that you want. Or if you don't want to save it as a template, you can just go right ahead and save campaign. Alright, so our first campaign has been created. The end date is here and the visitors are these, and In the next video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of everything you're going to see here so that you can understand where to get each of the things. So let's take a look at a preview of the campaign. Alright, so our campaign here, you see the timer is going to last for 11 days and the timer is going down. And you're going to see the number of entries. So this is the image that we have. Here's a title: download my free report on how to make money using affiliate marketing. Here are the details, here are the points. So once a user comes to this, here is your branding here. Once a user comes down to these, they can easily start completing the actions. So let's try to do one right now. Okay, so let's watch a YouTube video. So what happens is your video is going to pop up here and the users are able to watch it, and once they complete, it's going to show that this action here has been completed. Alright, so that's easy as it is, and once they complete these actions here, they are going to instantly see a download link below here to download the free report, or they're going to get it in their email address with the link and the message you have already created inside the app where they can download their free report. Alright, so it's so easy to create your first campaign, and I can't wait to see you create your first campaign and start driving leads. I'll see you in the next video.